Time to get moving. Ugh.
Singing in the bathtub, perhaps once again. Watching all my troubles go swinging down the drain. Singing in the bathtub, perhaps once again. Watching all my troubles go swinging down the drain.
For a while, but good morning. What day is this? This is Friday. I finally get the stitches out here. Yay! We are gonna get to go on a vacation. I'm so excited because we're gonna get to drive. And we are gonna go from Kansas City to Atlanta, but we're gonna bypass flooding in Nashville. I'm sorry. Daryl, I was so wanting to stop in Nashville so we could hook up out there and you could meet my hubby and stuff, but I don't know, maybe we will. How is the flooding out there? You need to let me know. That's what I should do. I'll get on there and ask you, because I'm way behind on the times. I've been busy. And I've been hanging out with my grandson, and I should probably document the little things he says to me, because he's the boss. You do know that. Okay, on to we're going to go, well, we're thinking about going through Memphis that way, because we can get off the side road, because we don't have to rush to be anywhere. So, anybody that's out that way, let me know. We're going to be in Atlanta for a few days, and then on Friday we're going to go to Savannah, and then stay there a couple of days, and then go to Hilton Head, stay there a couple of days, and then head on back. But when we're in Atlanta, I got two brothers there and Dave's mom. But today, well, we had storms and stuff. I don't know what's going on in your part of the country too, but oh my gosh, hail and stuff. I should find the pictures of that hail. Big hail, bigger than my hand hail, and it was big old fat hail, but it looked like a star kind of. It was a weird looking hail. Not right on our house that I know of, but not far from us. So I'm gonna get to see my high school friend in Savannah that I went to the 38-and-a-half-year reunion back a few years back. She moved to Savannah. Okay. Yeah, this is an interesting video, but I was just thinking if anybody is along that route I'm going, they could let me know, and maybe we can sidetrack off somewhere and visit or hook up and say hi and meet and all that stuff. Okay, and if I change the plan, if we change the plan from the Memphis route to the Nashville route, I'll let you know. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, well, I am off of here, out of here, gone. Toodles, ta-ta, farewell. And what? Bye.